Hello, welcome again. We are solving GATE 2023 Aerospace Engineering paper. Question number 54 is consider the differential equation x square d square y by dx square plus 4x dy by dx plus 2y is equal to 0. 4x greater than equal to 1 with initial condition y is equal to 0, dy by dx is equal to 1 at x is equal to 1. The value of y at x is equal to 2 is dash. Round off to 2 decimal places. So here the given differential equation is x square d square y by dx square plus 4x dy by dx plus 2y equal to 0. So by this type of equation can be solved when there is x square with d square y by dx square and x with dy by dx can be solved by putting x is equal to et and x square d square y by dx is equal to d bracket d minus y 1 y and x dy by dx as dy. So putting these quantities, so we have d bracket d minus 1 y plus 4 dy plus 4 plus 2y, or solving this we get d as minus 2 and minus 1. So y is solution of this is y is c1 d1 t, d1 is minus 2t plus c2 e d2t, so this is minus 3. Okay. So as e t is x, so e minus t is 1 by x, so e minus 2t will be 1 by x square. So the equation becomes y is equal to c1 by x square plus c2 by x. At the given conditions are at x is equal to 1, y is equal to 0 and dy by dx is equal to 1. Okay. So at x equal to y equal to 0, so putting x equal to 1, we get c1 plus c2 as 0, so c1 is minus c2. And at x is equal to 1, dy by dx is equal to 1, so dy by dx is your differentiating this will be minus c1 x cube 2 and plus c2 into c2 x square into minus 1. Differentiation of 1 by x square is minus 2 by x cube and differentiation of 1 by x is minus 1 by x cube. So now or further simplified, this will be minus 2c1 by x cube minus c2 by x cube. Now putting this condition, so it will be 1 is equal to 2 minus 2 c1 c2, and from this we have c1 is equal to minus c2. So putting this we get c2 as 1 and c1 as minus 1. So y becomes minus 1 by x square plus 1 by x. So at x is equal to 2, it will be minus 1 by 4 plus 1 by 2 over it is 1 by 4 or 0.25 is the answer.